Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Jesus Saves, as recorded by Marvin Winans and the Perfected Praise Choir. The song is going to be in the key of E flat. In the end we're going to modulate to F major, and then G major. Okay, so let's start off with the intro. So you're going to be repeating a lot of those chords in this song. So you're going to start off with a G7 sharp 5 to C minor 7. This nice F7 13, set D minor on top of F7. B flat 13, which is that A flat major 7 on top of B flat. And then, you can go back to that B flat 9 sus. And then the choir is singing dum. Gonna be on an E flat, dum, B flat, now to C minor 7, dum. Then you're gonna turn that C minor 7 into a C7 flat 9. Put that diminished 7 on the top there. Dum, dum, to F minor 9. Dum, dum. D minor 7, 4. Add 4. Dum, dum. Back to a G7, flat 9. Dum, 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 dum. So you're playing that C minor 9. And then you're going to go up to an E flat 7. Dum, da, dum, dum. To an A flat major 9. Back to this chord, you know this. Dum, 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 you know this. Da, 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 you know this. And you know this. So, you're going to be repeating a lot of chords. And then, let's start Marvin's verse. I heard. So, it's going to be a lot of similar chords, but maybe some different passing chords. You're going to go to joyful sound. Jesus saves. Jesus saves. Oh, spread around. Spread it all around, y'all. Jesus saves. Oh, Jesus saves. So, you're playing E flat. You're going to go to this A flat to G7 to A flat major 9. Then you walk up to C9 flat, C7 flat 9, I'm sorry. Jesus saves. F minor 9. D minor 7. Add 4, you know this. E spread around. Spread it all around. It's basically the same as the intro. When you get to this this G7 flat 9, these guys that played this were great jazz. They had some great jazz licks. So you can play anything on this diminished scale. And then Jesus saves. Jesus saves. Okay. And then we're going to go to the upmost part. To the upmost, to the up. It's A flat over E flat. Upmost. Jesus saves. So that's just going to E flat, F minor, to E flat. Then we're going to walk up. to an F minor. I mean, an F9. Jesus saves. He will pick you up and turn you around. Alright, so from the F9 on, the F9, go up. I like to play C minor over B flat, saves to B flat over A flat. He, to G7, will pick you up. So that's C minor 9 to C7. Then we're going to go and, just F. Turn you around. We've gone through that already. You know this. You know that. E diminished. Okay, we've gone through that. And now we're going to add in this nice A flat 913. Hallelujah. So it's basically a B flat on top of an A flat 7. We add the 9 there. Hallelujah. Then we're going to go to this G minors. And then hallelujah. And you know that from the intro. Jesus saves. Okay, so from here on, in E flat, you're going to go back to all the chords that we've already done from the beginning. So let's just change it over to F major, which is basically playing the same progression which we have already gone over, but in the key of F. Okay, now let's start in F. Jesus saves. Going up from the 3, so it's F over A to B flat to F over C to the notes. Okay, and then we're going to go to the G9. Jesus saves. Okay, He will A7 to D minor 9 to D minor. Now G over B. So that's at C, 9 sus. Turn you around. A7 sharp 5. Hallelujah. D minor. It's basically a D7 flat 9. Hallelujah. And then we're going to go to this B flat 9, 13 sharp 11. Hallelujah. To F over A. And then let's try it again. let's go through the key of G. So it's the same thing that we've played in the key of F. So we're going to start here. To the utmost, Jesus. Then we're going to go to the start the vamp. So that's an E minor 9 to G7 13, D flat 7 sharp 9 to C6 9, to B7 sharp 9 sharp 5. Ah, I was so very deeply stained within, singing arise no more, but the master of the sea. Hey, hey, heard my despairing cry. From the waters he lifted me. Sinking I was. Alright, that was a brief and quick run through of Jesus Saves. That's most of the chords there. If you're a little bit of an intermediary player, you can pretty much fill in from there. But that's the basic chords for this song. Hey guys, thank you so much. I appreciate all the love, likes, subscribes, comments, and support. Hey, but if you want your song up there, please send in a donation. The little donations go a long way, especially when there's a lot of requests. So go ahead and send that in. Got Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, or Super Chat, and I will get your song up there ASAP. Thank you guys so much again, and take care.